Hey man, what's going on? Hopefully I can make this video without too much YouTube website thing, but there used to be a video on there. It was called Number 9, the Shipster, and number 10, the Take 10, and then we'll go from there. Now, so Shipster 9, Take 10 is 10. Then we're gonna go to 3 post, what did I call it? Post learning activity. I forget what it's called. Post something activity. Um, there will be 3 of them. The third one's going to be the chartsters that you already did. The only thing is we're going to have to make some additional chartsters, I think, right now. I don't remember. I don't have any, I don't think. But I think you made like 2 with two double-sided ones. I'm thinking there should probably be at least 5 double-sided ones, which is just a matter of switching numbers around, so that's no big deal. But anyway, that'll be appendix number 3. The first 2 appendixes, I think this will be easier now. Appendix number 1 is going to be what you're looking at. These are 3x3 loopsters. I'm thinking that they'll follow the directions really well, because if you remember, the directions were for 3x3, the 3 circles with A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. So hopefully this would be a good lead-in. So I guess appendix number 1 will have those direct. No, I guess you'll have to steal the opening with the 3 circles and then make a new one for this. This is called the 3x3 loopster. Obviously for you and I it works exactly the same way. So let me move this over. The idea is got 9 circles. You only use 2, 4, and 5, 1 in each row, 1 in each column. First logic is you know that 10 has to be 2 times 5. You don't know which order they go in, so you don't fill them in. You put the small indicator numbers. But from that, you can determine right away that the bottom one is 4. And then you move on. Next, now that you know that that's 4, you go to the one next to it is 10's got to be 2 times 5. But again, you don't know which order they go in. When you go to the next one, it's 20. That's 4 times 5. But you know that the bottom one can't be a 4. It's got to be a 5. So then the top one's got to be a 4. I don't even know why I'm saying this. I know you know how to fucking do it. But anyway, moving on. That tells you the top one's got to be, I guess the bottom one. Is that what I did next? Let's see. Yeah, the bottom row has got to be a 2, which means the one above is a 5. Now the top row should be easy to figure out. It's going to be 2 and 2 times 4, but you can't have a 4 in that end row, end column, so it's got to be the 2. So then you go here and you get the 2 and the 4. And then looking across, you know the 10 was 2 and 5, but you can't have a 2 in the top row. You already have one, so you got to put the 5, and you end up there. Now, what I'm thinking is if we have like appendix number 1 has like the intro with the 9 circles ABC thing, and then leads into this, that will be appendix number 1. Appendix number 2 will be the one that you're going to make, which is I think it's 22, I don't know what it is, 2213 or 2245. But anyway, it's the 4x4 loopster that has 2 of the same number because it's times table specific. I already sent you all the pictures for that, I believe. I'm trying to think if you have that. If not, I'll send that again. The video for that one. So anyway, I think this makes more sense. So then what will happen is from our last video, you already made shipster and take 10ster, number 9 and 10. There is no 11. It'll just be appendix 1, 2, and oh shit. Yeah, appendix 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the 3x3, 2 is the 4x4, and 3 is the chartster. So I'll talk to you on the phone and hopefully iron some of this out, but that'll be the general gist. Thanks again. Bye.